Good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing well. So, if you remember, जो हमने last trip कसौली का किया था उसमें I mentioned कि Interceptor की seat is not very comfortable, especially long rides के लिए. So what I did was before going on the Kasoli trip, I placed an order for a new Interceptor seat from Sahara Motorcycles. Sahara is a Hyderabad based company and उनके कैटलॉग में इंटरसेप्टर के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी सीट्स हैं एंड व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई सिलेक्टेड वन ऑफ द सीट्स और मैंने वहाँ से ऑर्डर कर दिया है. नाउ इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 2 weeks since I got the package from Sahara, but I couldn't get time. मुझे टाइम नहीं लगा इतना ज़्यादा because I was busy in the Kasoli videos. So आज का video is on unboxing the package that I received from Sahara and let's see how the seat looks like और फिर हम उसकी fitting Interceptor के ऊपर करेंगे. Also in the description link what I'll do is I will mention the link for Sahara where I placed the order. आप उनका कैटलॉग चेक कर सकते हैं because not only for Interceptor उनके पास रॉयल एनफील्ड के सारे मोटरसाइकिल्स के लिए seats and different accessories हैं and which you can place for your as per your liking. और I will also mention कि ये सीट how much did I pay for it, कितनी मुझे ये सीट पड़ी है and the features that I asked the Sahara motorcycles to put in because in this seat I asked them to put an additional layer of gel plus the base is made of fiber and not of metal and I purposely did that ताकि through the base रस्ट लगने का कोई ऑप्शन ना रहे. So without much ado, let's get into the unpacking and unboxing of the Sahara seat. So guys, what I did was जब मैंने सहारा को ये ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था तो I told them कि मुझे इस सीट के लिए एक रेन कवर भी चाहिए and they charged me 300 rupees and they've already put in the rain cover on the seat. So let me and इसमें velcro लगा हुआ है जिसके थ्रू आप सीट को पूरा का पूरा कवर कर सकते हैं in case if it rains and the seat doesn't get wet. So I'll just keep it aside. This is how the seat looks like, guys. Let me remove the polythene on top of the seat and let me just show you. So guys, this is the seat that I ordered from Sahara. If you look at the seat, इसमें as compared to the regular Interceptor seat, the area that gets covered is high. इसमें just to give some backrest, a bit of support to your spine, the shape of the seat is designed in such a way and I bought this is a black seat and इसमें like I mentioned इसमें foam है. I've got a layer of gel installed and the base is fiber and not metal. So this is the seat. Let me give you a bit of a close up. guys, that's how the seat looks like. Now what we'll do is we'll just go downstairs to get the seat installed on the bike. Guys, I'm just heading to the parking जहाँ पे the Interceptor is parked, and we'll just install the seat, or we'll just check the comfort of the seat as well. So that's the stock seat, guys. Now if you look at it, this does not have the kind of groove that we bought on the seat from Sahara. So we'll just put the Sahara seat on and then let's check it out. So guys, you just saw that मैंने Sahara की seat Interceptor पे install कर दी है. I just sat on the seat और मुझे थोड़ा definitely comfort feel हुआ, because the stock seat is very soft, बहुत soft है, but the Sahara seat that I've just ordered, it's a bit hard. And जब मैंने इसका सीट को ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था, तो आई स्पेसिफिकली आस्क्ड सहारा कि मुझे एक जेल पैड की ज़रूरत है सीट में, प्लस आई नीड द बेस टू बी मेड ऑफ फाइबर. यूजुअली सहारा जब आप ऑर्डर लेते हैं सहारा, then the standard is that they will give you the memory foam in the seat plus the metal base, जो कि इनका standard होता है. But add-ons like getting a gel pad and getting a base made of fiber is definitely costs you more. And मैं चाहता था कि ये दो add-ons में लगवाऊँ, because I could feel and I sensed that this would make the ride more comfortable, and I think it has. Now मैंने अभी तक I haven't driven the Interceptor, and I have not taken the Interceptor out just to feel the comfort of the seat, but I think and I feel that it is comfortable. Now just to come to the pricing bit, जब मैंने इस सीट को ऑर्डर किया, this seat costed me around 6,800 rupees, but this also includes the 15% discount that I got from Sahara. Sahara ने Instagram पे एक deal निकाली थी, which I was able to grab, and then I was able to get that discount. So you definitely can check out their website, and you can reach out to Sahara on the contact numbers जो कि उनकी साइट पे available हैं, and you can check out कि इस टाइम पे कुछ discounts चल रहे हैं कि नहीं चल रहे हैं, in case if you want to place an order for the seat. what I've realized after putting the seat on is that the height of the seat gets increased by an inch or so. So while you're riding, or while the bike is at halt, then you have to ensure that you manage the balance accordingly. But जब आपको एक बार आदत हो जाएगी with the seat, I don't think so that should be much of a problem. So well, that's all for today's video. I will keep you posted on the comfort of this seat in my oncoming videos once I'm doing my next ride, and I'll share my inputs and my feedback there. Till then, take care. Cheers.